Hello. So today we're at the Premier Inn Farringdon in Smithfield, and I just want to give you a little room tour. When you first come in, you've got a little place to hang your coats. There's a mirror here that actually turns on the light on the outside, which is nice. You have your couple extra pillows, a little closet area. We have your shelf with the hair dryer. On this side, your light switch, and you do have to put your room card in for your lights to work. Come in, and to the left of this room is the washroom. So you've got your shower. Comes with your body wash. Sink. Toilet. Everything there. And when you come in, here's the bed. You have lights and power points on either side. It's kind of like a little window seat there. Here is the desk. And of course, your television. They actually have a lot of channels to watch on the TV, which is nice. And one other kind of neat thing is this purple light just above the bed, which gives you a little bit of this ambient light when you're relaxing in the evening. And then our view is of a building. But if we look just to the right, that is what we see. So we've been here for a few days, and it's been a pretty good room to stay in for the price. You also have a mirror on the wall there as well. And this is the room.